Boy, this doesn't usually happen, but there you go. Not as easy as I was thinking for this particular one. Now there are some screws up in here that theory has it you could undo the screws, pull the inside of the can down through the sheetrock, and then maybe look up in there and see what's going on. But because I've got an attic, I'm going to crawl up in there and take a quick look-see first and see if I can't get it replaced from the top or what the deal is. I've got some paint here, and they painted around the trim, and the trim is only sticking over a little bit from the edge, and it looks like this can, I'd have to trim this back a little bit more in order to slip the can down and see what's going on. But if you cannot get up into your ceiling, maybe this is on a first floor and you've got the ceiling, you've got floor joists for your second floor, and maybe you don't have a crawl space. Well, then you should be able to take this down this direction, okay? But if you have an attic, hey, maybe you can take the thing apart from upstairs. I'm going to take a quick look up there, and then I'm going to come back down. And I'm thinking that I may have to do it the hard way, trim this out so that you can see what's going on, so that you've got enough confidence that if this happens to you, you don't have to call an electrician, and maybe you can pull this can down through there on your own. That's gonna be kind of tricky in itself to get that out. But stay with me. Let's see what Joe can do. Okay, the determination is I'm gonna go up into the attic and check that out first, and I'll probably end up bringing you up there. Pretty sure I can take that ballast out up there. And it's funny why I decided to make this video. I didn't know this was going to happen. And probably 98 out of 100 times, 99 out of 100 times, usually all you have to do is replace your halogen bulb with a new one or an LED or something like that, and it will work. Okay, every once in a while, and I've had this happen probably 3 times now. And I don't do it that often, okay? So it could be even less. It could be 70% of the time. Your bulbs, it'll just be a bulb, okay? But I'm gonna go up there. I changed my pants to my crappy pants. I got my crappy hat on that's all dirty, and I put some goggles on. I've got my gloves. I put my knee brace on. I've got my back brace on, and I've got a flashlight, and I'm going to get up there and kind of scope things out. And then once I get my tools and stuff, I'll probably take you up there, and you can have a look-see on it too, okay? Because more times than not, you can get up into your attic, and it might be easier for you to do that than to do it from the can. I mean, if all else fails, I think you can do it here. It would be a little bit time consuming, and I don't want to, like I say, I don't want to cut the sheetrock out too far because the trim only covers a little bit. You can see where the finished paint is as opposed to the other, and I have to cut it out all the way to the finished paint almost, based on how they installed this. They got the sheetrock hanging over a little bit. I mean, reality says the trim should still fit, right? But see, the trim on here is not very big, and you can see how this prong sticks over a little bit, and as you push it in, there's really not much room for air right in there. Okay, but I'll make that determination once I get up there and take a look at it, see if it's even possible to take this housing out. And I believe I believe it is possible because there's a slide here and there's a reason for that. And that's because if you put that in a soffit, let's say you've got it in a soffit or an area where you can't get up into the ceiling, you should be able to take this out. Slide it down carefully, make a huge mess, and then pull this down and reach up in there and see, it's going to be tricky to get my hand up in there, and I got to pull the wires down, get that off, push it back up in there and all that. And I think that would be a possibility, but you know, you got an attic, that might be the way to go. Stick with me, going up in the attic.